Nooie Cam 360. Security with a twist. A cute helper for monitoring your baby. High definition 1080p. 720p resolution. Daytime vision. Night vision. Two-way audio. Motion tracking. Pan, tilt, zoom. Share the access with your family. Store and rewind, never miss a precious moment. Nooie Baby Monitor, Wi-Fi Pet Camera Indoor, 360-degree IP camera, 1080p home security camera, motion tracking, Super IR night vision, works with Alexa, two-way audio, motion sound detection. "360 motion tracking, automatically senses and tracks the action in your home in full 360 degrees. Nooie Cam 360 has 101 degrees field of view, rotates 355 degrees horizontally and 94 degrees vertically. Pan and tilt easily with the Nooie app. "1080p HD plus superior night vision, 1080p HD camera lens and two 940nm infrared LEDs. Night vision up to 32 feet, 10 meters, in pitch black. Optional status light. Stylish, intuitive, easy setup. Camera and app are easy to install, simple to control, and a breeze to maintain. Compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Download app from App Store or Google Play. Works with Alexa. Motion plus sound detection, two-way audio, live streaming 24/7 with real-time motion and sound alerts. Listen and talk to family or pets with built-in anti-noise mic and speaker. Secure data storage, continuous or motion-detected recording options. Multiple security protocols to keep your data and privacy secure. Continuous or motion-detected recording options. Micro SD card, buy separately, or cloud subscription service, sign up via Nooie app. Always be there. With 360 degrees motion tracking plus motion and sound detection, Nooie Cam 360 can be your eyes and ears when you are out of the room. You don't have to sacrifice beautiful design to protect your home and loved ones, or to make your home smart and efficient. Nooie Cam only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi. Please do not use 5G Wi-Fi during pairing. If your Wi-Fi's password has more than 31 characters or special characters such as the equal sign, please kindly change it to a password less than 31 characters. Please keep your device, phone and Wi-Fi router as close as possible during pairing. If connection fails, please reset the camera first before trying again. Gives you peace of mind. Home. Baby plus elders. Pets. Business. In the box. Nooie Cam 360. Power adapter. Wall mount and screws. User manual. Motion tracking detection. With horizontal and vertical rotation, plus advanced algorithms that track motion, you can be in the center of the action even when it's not center stage. Night vision. Two 940 nanometers infrared LEDs provide a clear, crisp picture up to 32 feet, 10 meters, even when it's pitch black. Two-way audio. Listen and talk to family or pets from anywhere with built-in anti-noise mic and speaker. Unlimited sharing. Share access to live streaming and video recordings with those who care. Works with Alexa. Voice control turns your home into your personal assistant. Easy plug and play installation. Download the Nooie app from Google Play or App Store. Create account, then add device. Add device can also be found by clicking the control center icon on the top right of the app home page.